In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a CSV or Excel file to upload changes to test settings for the RISE test. First, go to utahrise.org and log in to TIDE. Then, go to Test Settings and Tools, Upload Test Settings and Tools. On this screen, you can download a template in CSV or Excel format. Open the file and click Enable Editing if needed. Then, for any student who needs a change to their test settings, enter or copy and paste their SSID into the first column. Then, select the subject area that you want to update, and then select which tool the student will need and which specific setting they should have. This can be a really easy way to change a large number of math or science tests to Spanish at the same time. Just enter the SSIDs of students who are on the lower end of English proficiency, put in math or science, the language setting, in Spanish. Once you've made all the changes you need to this file, save the file with a name and a location that you can remember. Then, go back to the Upload Test Settings and Tools screen, click Browse, and locate your file. Click Open and you should see the file name where it says Upload File. Then click Next, and you'll see a confirmation of which students, which tests, and which settings you're uploading. If this looks correct, click Next again, and TIDE will validate the file and make those changes. Then you'll see a summary of how many records will be committed, and it will show you any errors that you might have. And hopefully your upload is error-free and you can click Continue with Upload. If it hadn't been error-free, you can select Upload Revised File after making changes to resolve the errors in the file. Then you'll see a confirmation that the changes were made and the new records are committed, and you're done. You have successfully updated students' test settings using the upload process. Please let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me at brooke.anderson@jordandistrict.org or at 801-567-8393.